Welcome back to Auto's Car, the place where timeless machines meet passion and power. Today we're taking a ride back to the elegant and commanding era of the 1950s, where Chrysler was making waves in the luxury car world with its breathtaking 1957 Chrysler Imperial. This was not just a car, it was a statement of sophistication, design brilliance, and engineering innovation that stood tall against Cadillac and Lincoln in its time. The 1957 Chrysler Imperial was the peak of American luxury with futuristic styling and a powerful presence that could turn heads anywhere it went. When you look at this car, the first thing that catches your eye is its bold and distinctive front end with its massive chrome grille and the elegant gun sight tail lamps at the back that became an Imperial trademark. It was built during the golden age of American design when cars weren't just vehicles, they were rolling works of art that expressed confidence, status, and elegance. Under the hood, the 1957 Imperial carried a massive 392 cubic inch Hemi V8 engine that produced an impressive 325 horsepower, giving it incredible strength and smooth performance. This powerful engine made the Imperial not just a beauty but a beast on the road. The car offered the kind of smooth acceleration and commanding ride that was far ahead of its time. The push-button TorqueFlite automatic transmission added an extra touch of luxury and convenience that drivers adored. Step inside the 1957 Chrysler Imperial and you enter a world of pure class. The cabin was designed with the highest attention to detail, featuring premium leather seats, fine chrome accents, and one of the most elegant dashboards ever seen in the 1950s. Every inch of this interior was meant to make the driver and passengers feel like royalty. The wide and comfortable seats, soft lighting, and fine materials gave the impression that this was more than a car, it was a luxury lounge on wheels. The 1957 Imperial also introduced several innovations that set it apart from competitors. Power steering, power brakes, power windows, and even power seats came standard, something rare for that time. The torsion air suspension system, which gave a smooth and stable ride, was another engineering marvel from Chrysler. This car was all about blending performance with ultimate comfort. In the late 1950s, owning a Chrysler Imperial meant you had made it. It represented success, taste, and the American dream on four wheels. It was longer, lower, and wider than most cars on the road, giving it an imposing yet graceful stance. Every curve and chrome line of the Imperial was designed to make a lasting impression, and even today, this model is a prized possession for collectors and classic car lovers around the world. The 1957 Chrysler Imperial remains one of the most stunning and unforgettable luxury cars of its time. It's a masterpiece that reflects the bold spirit of the 1950s, a time when car makers dared to dream big and build even bigger. If you love classic cars that combine power, style, and luxury, then the 1957 Chrysler Imperial will always hold a special place in your heart. Subscribe, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel Auto's Car and Win Last Man.